Hello, Ederson Oliveira here, and today I have the great pleasure of reviewing DNN 9 for the first time, specifically for this video, one feature called Custom CSS, which is sitting under Tools. By the way, this is the new persona bar that you see when you log into the new DNN 9. Depending on your access level, you're gonna be able to see different options here on the persona bar on the left hand side. But right now you're gonna have a look at the custom CSS, which when I click here should load quite quickly. Yes, that's the experience. It loads quite quickly. The other goal of this quick video review is to compare that with what it is right now on DNN 8. So I'm gonna open on the separate tab a DNN 8 test site. This is a DNN 8 out of the box, and by the way, this is a DNN 9 alpha version out of the box as well. I'm gonna go to the same feature there on DNN 8. I'm just gonna go to admin, site settings, and you're gonna load. See, we are waiting for it to load, and then we click on the tab. So you can see a lot more steps to go to this feature on DNN 8 as compared to the equivalent on DNN 9. Not only that, it's not only a lot more steps, but you have actually to wait for the page to load, to refresh, and here on DNN 9, the experience is much slicker, much faster. Anyway, here, a small difference that you're gonna see is this drop down at the top, which I assume right now there's just one portal on one site on this DNN 9 installation, but I assume that if I log in as host level, which I'm logged in here, I assume that I'll be able to click here and select another site from my DNN installation to log on to, or actually to load the portal CSS onto this space and be able to edit that specifically. Here on DNN 8, you don't have that, because if you go to admin site settings, we are assuming that you are on the site that you want to edit it already. So there's no drop down here. Aside of that, the CSS itself seems to be pretty much the same, but again, this is still very early stages for DNN 9, so it's early to say if this will be changed or not. Aside of that, the options are still the same: restore default CSS, default file, the standard one, or save whatever modifications you might want to make to this file. Same ones as you can see here, just a different styling as you can see on DNN 8. One quick note about the new persona bar is that, again, it slides out on top of the current page, and if you wanted to go slide back in, you have to press ESC for now, the key on your keyboard. I hope that at some point we will be able to move away from the screen and click outside on this grayish area, and it would slide in as well. I would hope that this will happen, but again, this is really early stages of DNN 9. So that's it. Custom CSS, how it looks like now or will look in the future on DNN 9, and how it looks like on DNN 8, doing a quick comparison here. I'll see you in the next quick reviews of DNN 9 features. Bye.